people think that if you want to learn programming, you have to read 1 or 2 books and learn a programming language. For those who are just starting out, this is fine. But you need to know that you have to read a lot of books to improve in this profession. Our country's programmers are not as interested in coding as they are in reading, learning, and learning. And so their careers ended in a few days. One thing to keep in mind is that after 5 years your salary will not be equal to the first year. If you code as a junior and still do, what good is a website if it simply blends in with everything else out there? You need to learn to design good and complex software, learn to manage teams, and much more. After 3 to 4 years, if you are good at coding, then it is a matter of concern. And so the following books can help you to improve your skills. These books are widely known all over the world, the books of all the authors of famous programmer persons. If you don't understand one, read the other, keep reading, read again and again. If you want to build a future, you have to do something, right? The first book we will know about is this. The Pragmatic Programmer, From Journeyman to Master. This book is about computer programming as well as software engineering. It is written by Andrew Hunt and David Thomas. This book is published in October 1999. Some universities refer it to read as a textbook for students. It is mainly essential for software development. Learning best use of programming tools and sharpen your memory is always recommended this book. I think you should keep this book at your bookshelf. You will learn new and innovative things from it. The Mythical Man Month, Essays on Software Engineering. This book is mainly written for software engineering and project management. Fred Brooks wrote it and it is published in 1975 first. It has some subsequent editions also. You found so many publications or research on Google Scholars based on this book. How to work or manage project effectively by one person in 1 month. Is it a myth or anything else you will know from it? Several causes of scheduling failure are discussed on this Mythical Man Month book. You can't handle or completely finish a project without communicate with team members, and if you discrete works into points and partition it to team, it will work more properly than before. From it, group intercommunication formula is a great thing. Refactoring, improving the design of existing code. Refactoring, improving the design of existing code. This book is written by Ken Beck and Martin Fowler and published in January 1, 1999. As object technology, especially applications in the Java programming language, became more commonplace, the software development community became a new issue. Inexperienced developers have created many poorly designed applications, resulting in inefficient applications that are difficult to maintain and scale. Professional software systems are increasingly discovering how difficult it is to work with these old, suboptimal applications. These practices, known as refactoring, remain in the realm of professionals, as no attempt has been made to transfer the tradition in a way that all developers can use until now. Refactoring, in improving the design of existing software, renowned object technology mentor Martin Fowler breaks new ground, explains these master practices in an easy-to-understand manner, and software experts are a key benefit of this new process. Clean Code, a handbook of agile software craftsmanship. Clean Code book's author Robert Cecil Martin wrote and published the book in August 1, 2008. Bad code can also work. However, if the code isn't clean, the development organization can succumb. Every year, poor code writing wastes a lot of important time and resources. Having helped bring agile principles to tens of thousands of programmers from a professional perspective, Martin worked with a colleague at Object Mentor to put together his clever best practices for cleaning code on the fly, rice field. The values of software craftsmen, make you a better programmer, but only if you are working on it. Design patterns, elements of reusable object-oriented software. This book's authors are Eric Gamma, Richard Helm, Ralph Johnson, John Blissides. It is published in October 24, 1994. It is a software engineering book which is mainly for software design patterns. For world-class designers with extensive experience in object-oriented software design, provide a catalog of simple and concise solutions for this book. Working Working effectively with legacy code. This book gives programmers the ability to cost-effectively address common problems with old code without having to perform the very expensive task of rewriting all existing code. Describes some practical strategies that developers can use to control existing software applications. Michael C. Feathers wrote this book and it is published in September 1, 2004. Test-driven development, by example patterns of enterprise application architecture. Introduction to algorithms. Peopleware, productive projects and teams. Head-first design patterns. I don't think your time is too precious to work on a new concept. Creating a multisensory learning experience using the latest research in cognitive science and learning theory. Head-first design patterns is not a textual approach to paralysis, but a visually rich design designed for the way the brain works. Use the format. Head-first design patterns is written by Elizabeth Freeman and Kathy Sierra. It is published in October 2004. Domain-driven design, tackling complexity in the heart of software. It is written by Eric Evans and published in August 22, 2003. Domain-based design meets your needs. This is not a book about a particular technology. A wide range of designs provides readers with a systematic approach to domain-based design. Programming Pearls. This book is published in 1986 and the author is John Bentley. The essays in this book go beyond sound engineering to provide programs that are creative and intelligent solutions to computer problems. The program is fun and teaches important programming techniques and basic design principles. And there are more books you need to read as a programmer.